Hey guys, Rover Dude here. I'm going to give you some tips on something that you may have if you have a Discovery. And it's a code that comes out and it's very simple to fix. And I'll show you guys right now what it is.
So to get right to it, basically what it is in the shifter right here, when you shift into D, it's going to be flashing. You're going to get these two lights just flashing on and on and on and on continuously. Then I'm going to turn on the vehicle a sec so you can see what I'm talking about. The M and S right here, okay, where it just flashed. That M and S is going to be flashing also. Now, let me shut this off here. When you're in drive, when you put it in drive and you're going down the road or whatever, you're gonna notice it's very sluggish. The transmission almost feels like it's slipping. Very simple. What it is just at the transmission end on the bottom, there's a like a controller. It's a transmission shift module controller. I believe it's what it's called. So that is your problem. It's faulty. So you need to switch that out. When you do that though, be very careful, because even though you have it in park, once you disconnect that, your car will slip into like a neutral. So it will go forward or backward depending if you're on a steep hill. So you got to be very careful. Chock your wheels. It's only 4 bolts and it pops right out. And then you put it back in the same way you took it out and hook up your module. Okay, so again, these lights are going to be flashing right here, and I'll turn them on again. And it's going to be these right here, the M and S, okay, manual and sport. That's going to be flashing left and right. All right, so when you turn on your vehicle, okay, these should not be on at all unless you select mode. Unless you select the mode here, I'm going to press it once and you're going to see it went to sport mode. Okay, now what that's going to do is, if that is flashing both, you're going to get all kinds of stuff come out. You're going to get this, you're going to get another signal here saying engine. It's going to show the little engine logo here. You're going to get these flashing. This is going to be on. On mine, the reason it's on is because I actually have to change the fuel gauge because it's faulty, and it's basically telling me that my fuel is not correct, that it's not a little over a quarter. It may be more, but that's a minor thing. Whenever I get a chance, I'm going to pull it out now, and I'll show you guys how I do that, okay? But for right now, you should not have anything here unless you selected something. So I'm going to go back, push the mode button again, and then when we go here, it's gone. Okay, so basically that's about it. Just keep in mind, if you do this, okay, if you do go to work on this and the D's are flashing, it's going to be flashing in D's and neutral, reverse, park. It's going to be flashing in everything that you go to do. That is an indicator. Don't freak out. It's just a transmission selector module, I believe it's called, something like that. And it's on the side of the transmission, and it's about maybe the size of this, but a little bit bigger, square. Okay, so you'll see it right there, and it's got just a plug that goes in, 4 bolts. But make sure that you chock your wheels when you go to do this. All right, so I wish I had one. This one actually went bad and I changed it out on it, but I wish I would have kept it so I could show you guys. All right, so basically that's about it. Very simple fix, nothing to freak out about. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, just leave me a message. Send me a message, please. And I hope you guys like my videos, and please subscribe if you do. So for now, Rover Dude out.